Have you ever looked at your drawing and thought, it's good, but something's missing? Maybe it's the lighting, or maybe it just feels flat. In this video, I'm going to share 3 simple, powerful techniques that will instantly make your art stand out. These are easy to apply, and they work for beginners and advanced artists alike. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Decide your light source. Before you start shading anything, ask yourself, where is the light coming from? From the left, right, top? This one decision controls everything in your drawing, your highlights, your shadows, and how real your object looks. Even a basic shape like a ball can look 3D when shaded with a clear light source. So always plan your lighting first. It's a game changer. Tip number 2, vary your line weight. Don't draw every line the same thickness. Use thinner lines in areas that catch the light. Use thicker, bolder lines in shadowed or deeper parts. This simple trick adds rhythm, depth, and a professional touch to your drawing. Trust me, it makes a big difference. Tip number 3, focus your detail. Don't try to over-detail the entire drawing. Instead, choose one focal point, like the eyes in a portrait, and put all your energy there. Make that one part sharp, textured, and bold. Let everything else fade out softly. This pulls the viewer's attention and adds powerful contrast. Less is more. Now watch how all 3 tips work together. Lighting creates dimension, line weight adds structure, and focal detail brings emotion. Together, they create balance and beauty in your artwork. So now it's your turn. Try these 3 things in your next drawing and see how it transforms your art. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more art tips and drawing videos. Thanks for watching, and keep sketching!